Hello friends, welcome back to Palashi News. So friends, today we are going to talk about one of the most mysterious and powerful objects in our universe, which is black hole. Friends, black holes are the places in the space where gravity is extremely strong. In fact, the gravity is so powerful that even light cannot escape through it. Because of this, black holes cannot seen be directly. But friends, do you know that how do they form? What happens near them? And do they really swallow everything in the space? Let's understand all of this in very simple way. First, let's understand what a black hole actually is. Friends, a black hole is a cosmic object that forms when a very massive star collapses and end of its life. When a star runs out of fuel, it cannot support its own weight anymore. So its core collapses under the gravity and becomes extremely dense. This creates a region in the space where gravity becomes incredibly strong, and that is what we call a black hole. Now friends, let's see how black holes are formed. Very massive stars produce energy through the nuclear reaction in their core. This energy creates pressure and balances gravity. But when the star uses up all its fuel, the pressure disappears. Then gravity takes over. The star's core collapses rapidly inward and becomes extremely small and dense. This collapse creates an extreme condition needed to form a black hole. Friends, now we are going to see types of black holes. Scientists have discovered there are different types of black holes. First is stellar black hole. These are formed when massive star collapse. Their mass is usually several times bigger than our sun. Second one is intermediate black hole. These are large than stellar black holes but smaller than supermassive ones. Scientists are still studying them. And the third one is supermassive black hole. These are the giants of the universe. Their mass can be millions or even billion times larger than the sun, and they are usually found at the center of the galaxies. Friends, a black hole has mainly two important parts. First one is singularity. This is the central point where matter is squeezed into an extremely tiny particle with infinite density. And second one is event horizon. The event horizon is like an invisible boundary around the black hole. Once anything crosses this boundary, even light, it cannot come back out. Friends, black hole creates some of the most extreme effects in the universe. First is space-time curvature. The gravity of a black hole bends the space and the time around it. Second is time dilation. The time moves slower near a black hole compared to far away in the space. And the third one is gravitational lensing. Light bends around the black hole due to its strong gravity. Friends, now let's see accretion disk and energy. When gas and dust fall outside the black hole, they do not go directly inside it. Instead, they form a spinning structure called an accretion disk around the black hole. Inside this disk, matter moves very fast and friction creates huge amount of heat. Because of this, the accretion disk releases massive energy and radiation before the material finally falls into the black hole. Friends, black holes also play an important role in the universe. Most large galaxies, including our Milky Way galaxy, have a supermassive black hole at their center. The energy released around these black holes can affect how stars form and also how galaxies evolve over time. In this way, black hole helps and maintain the balance and growth of the galaxies. Friends, there are many myths about the black hole, such as first myth, black holes suck everything in the space like a vacuum cleaner. But friends, it is not true. Objects far away are not directly pulled in. Second myth, black holes could destroy Earth. But friends, actually there are no dangerous black holes near our planet. Friends, in reality, black holes are extremely important for science because they help scientists to test theories about galaxies, space and universe. So friends, today we learned that black holes are not just mysterious objects. They help scientists to understand extreme gravity and structure of galaxies and the evolution of universe. The more we study black holes, the more we learn about how our universe actually works. So friends, if you like this video, so like it, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.